Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to recover Google Authenticator key. Few things trigger panic faster than opening Google Authenticator and realizing all your codes are gone. The good news is that recovery may be easier than you think, depending on how your account was set up. If you previously enabled Cloud Sync, start by installing Google Authenticator on your new device and signing in with the same Google account you used before. In many cases, you save two-factor authentication entries will automatically reappear. If you still have access to your old phone, the transfer process is even smoother. Open a Google Authenticator, tap the three-dot menu, select Transfer Accounts, then choose Export Accounts. After selecting the accounts you want to move, a QR code will appear. On your new phone, open Google Authenticator, choose Transfer Accounts, tap Import Account, and scan the QR code to bring everything over. If you've lost your old device and never enabled sync, recovery becomes a little more manual. You will need to visit each service individually and use its account recovery options, such as backup codes, recovery email, verification, SMS verification, or alternative sign-in methods. Once you regain access, you can disable and re-enable two-factor authentication to generate a new authenticator setup. It's also a good reminder to save backup codes whenever they're offered, because future you will be extremely grateful if this situation ever happens again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.